dicing onions. Because our knives are not sharp. So that's how I cut myself last time.
You can use the Japanese knife.
But then I have to clean it really.
Sure. So sharp. Do you want to try it?
No. Because I got it's 2 pounds of meat that I got.
Are you gonna, you should maybe caramelize them before you mix it into the meat mixture. Can you do that?
Do I have to do that?
It'll taste better. And it'll shrink them.
How long is that gonna take?
Well, I don't
Caramelizing
know.
takes a really long time.
Well, we can at least sweat them. So why don't I sweat them and then you mix the meat and everything else.
Okay.
So the water comes out a little more and also like they're softer.
Yeah. Oh, he caught that one. Wow, that was perfect. See, this is why you should get a camera too, so we can have dual POVs for cooking. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Oh, you almost got that one. It's behind you, behind you. There you go.
This is not gonna be. I think we could probably just go with.
That's probably good enough color. Don't want to burn them. Just want the hamburg. Ew, there's a hair on it.
Did we get the paint color? I'm going to attempt to crack this with one hand. I'm not very good at it, but let me see. Oh.
No shell?
No shell.
Yeah.
No shell! You're doing that to like, you're basically gonna do it like this to like, I believe it's to establish like a protein structure.
Ew, that is gross.
To have like a good, like a uniform look. It's definitely like well mixed.
Oh. That's really funny.
Hamburg children. I hope they were seasoned well. You put salt in it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect fit.
It's just like happier. My plants in the front of the house. Why? I don't know if I can fit all 6 of them in this pan.
Yeah, you can. They'll shrink.
Okay, I guess.
In the middle.
Cook them tomorrow? 3 minutes on each side?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let's have a meat or lobster. Yeah. Okay. Spinach. Pork doneness, but I'm pretty sure beef doneness is less, but since it's a pork mixture, I probably want to go with the pork temperature. Ground pork should be cooked to a total temperature of 160. Oh god. This is what happens when you get too fatty of meat. It hit me in the neck.
Ow.
I've been hit. It was like,
It's going down.
ow.
In 1,000 feet, turn right.
Literally going so much to get any. It's always just good to have extra view.
Yeah. Good part.
I thought it was like on the machine, but then it was off to the side. Set up. Actually, check if it.
Okay. Oh yeah, they are really thin. These are cute.
Yeah, I don't really like them.
The color doesn't show up with this filter, but it is very cute. Cup. Purely for my matcha.
I'm into like colored glass now. Like this is cute. I like the color. Also into fluted. Like, this looks nice. Has like a million of them. They're so cute. This one is fun.
They have the soft bottom so you can pop them out too.
It's boats.
And whale.
Oh.
Oh no!
It's like on his
You're
neck.
strangling him.
No, but look, it's like a seatbelt. Oh no, it undid itself.
Packs?
Ooh, I kind of like those.
But what about the horse?
It's such a weird shape too. I mean, I guess you could use his little like legs to like clean and like corners
Yeah,
and stuff.
$149 for 3. That's pretty good.
I played a little bit of Hi-Fi Rush at like GDT. Oh god, sorry. Tokyo drifting over here. Our shoebox. The covers.
What about those ones?
Oh yeah.
Look at this pepperomia.
They have growth. Really nice. It's so nice when the ones we get at the movie sometimes. Cause like, look how chunky it is. What the heck? I think I just grabbed the wrong part. Like, we try and navigate it. It's like, it's
It's gonna take her an hour to get her nails done, and the chairs in the nail salon gave me such bad back pain. So we're in the car. I'm using Bjorp for my pillow. It's too hot over there, so I moved into the driver's seat. See all that sun? So we got here at like 3:20, and it is now like 5. It's been so long, and she's still not done, and I'm hungry, and I ran out of tea. So I have my IKEA chicken tenders here. Oh, I'm just gonna eat them, I guess. It's hot in here. The condensation has made them soggy, but it feels pretty good. I feel like those people on TikTok who, I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder and not in the lens. I should be looking in the lens, but it's hard for me to do that. I'm like obsessed with how I look on camera. I just have to know what I look like. I feel like there's people on TikTok who do food reviews in their car. Except this isn't a food review. I'm just eating and talking. I want to do more segments where I talk, because I feel like my vlogs have been lacking the personal aspect, which is what I like when I watch vlogs. But it's not very natural for me, personally, to do it. But yeah, I took a, hour nap in here. All the windows are down now. And the sun is setting, so it's not too bad. It's not like she left me in here to die. I have the keys. God, the IKEA stuff tastes so good, even when it's not hot. I'm saving the rest for when I get home. It's so good though. Because the windows are open, I'm terrified that someone's listening to me and secretly calling me cringe, but I really should not care about that. Life is too short to care about things. That's the reason why I started vlogging in the first place, to get over my fear of being perceived and my fear of being cringe. Because being cringe is it's a good thing. And no matter what anyone says, being cringe, I kind of view it as you just living your life happily and not caring about what other people think. Because that's when you start living a healthier life, is when you just do things and you don't care about anyone's approval. Because I've noticed that now that I'm doing that, I feel a lot better about everything, about myself, about my life, and I don't take things as personally, which is cool. Now, she's still in there. 5 other customers have already come out and finished whatever they were doing, and she's still in there. I don't know what's happening, but I want to go home. I'm tired. I miss my dog, and I got new shoes. I got leather sandals, and they were expensive, but I got them because my favorite sandals, they got discontinued, and I wear these sandals every day. I have them on right now, actually. They're like the Skechers sandals, and mine are actually falling apart. This is gonna come off soon because I wear it every single day, not even joking. They're my daily wear sandals. I wear them so often. I have zebra feet. I have a zebra tan line on my feet because of the sandal straps. So I was like, because these are discontinued, and also they weren't even the greatest quality, they were just very comfortable and very flattering, I might as well get sandals that will last me for years. So I got sandals that were made out of genuine leather and genuine rubber, and they should last me years. If they don't, I'm going to be extremely upset. It's going to be such a waste of money. But here's hoping. So we'll have a segment where I talk about sandals, probably. God, I'm hungry again. I want to eat more of my chicken tendies, but I really shouldn't. No, but the boba that we got at Mr. Sun Tea was delicious. I have not had boba that has tasted that good. Like the tapioca balls, not the tea. The tea is okay. I got the uji matcha latte. It was alright. Not the strongest matcha in the world, but the boba is like handmade and it is flavored with real fruit, and you can tell. The mango boba with the uji matcha latte at 25%. That was so unbelievably good. I finished this whole, what is this? It's like 20-ounce cup in under 10 minutes. I was slurping that thing. It was delicious. And thankfully there's one like 20 minutes away from me as opposed to 40 minutes. So I will become a regular there probably. Not like a regular because I don't want to drive 20 minutes every day in traffic, but I will be going every time I'm in Cupertino, so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The form to your feet or something. The leather feels really nice. Oh. Mm. No! No! Come here! Come here. That's it. Good boy. Ow!
What do you do?
He went when he came down. Yes. Oh. He's so handsome.
Heck, you can change your skin tone.
So handsome. Oh my god, why does he look so old?
He is old.
No. He's really old looking. Look how uneven that. Oh my god. I have knee problems. Into the bin you go. Big Lammy. Where's Big Lammy? Big Lammy is somewhere. Where is he? There he is. Get him. Wow. Wow.
Already filmed that.
Yeah, but did you like I did?
Yes. I like how every culture just has their own version of a dumpling.
Sandwich.